Ready? You hear yourself, huh? No, it's okay. How does it sound? Is it too loud?
It's just weird.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, it sounds funny.
Is the sound okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, baby, I wanted to make one of the first things that you hear. Because I love you so much, and you're my best friend, baby. I wanted to make the first thing you hear me asking you to marry me.
Yes. Yes. I gotta sing.
Love you, baby.
I can hear your voice.